In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. So click on Start, then search here OSK on screen keyboard. So open it. So open it. So as we can see now, this arrow keys not working. We're not able to scroll. So to fix this problem, click on Start, then search OSK on screen keyboard. Now here guys, you have to unselect scroll lock. So it's enabled. You have to disable. So just click one time. You can see now scroll lock is disabled. Now try. So we can see now it's working. We are able to scroll using this arrow keys. So this is the method guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Just search voice screen keyboard and unselect this scroll lock. If scroll lock is selected, so you will be not able to use arrow keys to scroll. And once you make it disable, so you can use arrow keys like this. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.